Yo, what's good? And just another recap here of the trade I took today, which was after 15 second and managed to catch a 1-to-1 in this massive move off open anyway. So we'll just go into what my thought process was for the day. I actually traded this on my phone, so it was actually difficult to see a lot of what was going on, but it was a very nice trade. So again, we're trading towards these highs here, as we've had marked out for quite some time the last time. So we trade daily fair value gaps, we're creating new daily fair value gaps, and we're respecting this going higher. Again, the one issue here is we have a 4 hour at our just down here below price, and we've got this these highs that we're generally going towards above price. So it's just something to keep in mind. And what do we do? Well, we have this 2 hour being respected right here, pushing price higher. So what we have is a 15-minute condition and a 30-minute condition right at open, which it ends up being this 30-minute, which is obviously coming out of this 2 hour fair value gap. So at open, basically the ideas are we come into this 30-minute, respect it to go higher, or if we don't and we start disrespecting it, then I would presume we're going lower to this 4 hour with all this low resistance here. But again, with how bullish we are in the higher time frame, you'd expect this 30-minute to possibly hold. So we'll bring it back to open. It literally just plays out so perfectly, and we come down into this 30-minute. We've got low resistance liquidity here. We've got our clean accumulation, manipulation, distribution. There's a 15-second in here. No break even at the 1 minute. Wanted to go break even when ES took these highs, which was quite fast. So I didn't go break even until we had the expansion on Nasdaq. If you have a look at my live trade. So I'm just going to go to the 15-minute structure that we had. Where we gone? Is this it here? Yeah, here we go. So obviously that 1 minute is somewhere up here. We get this beautiful stop hunt, and we've got this accumulation, manipulation, inversion. I actually entered here even though we technically didn't close, but I think with the displacement and what was going for our trade, it was very worthwhile. I'm wondering, again, this is because I took it on my phone. I didn't have as many of the targets on my chart as I had liked, and I was in a rush. So I only ended up taking it towards these highs here, which is a really, really nice low-hanging fruit target. But just with the how high probability this trade was, like we've missed out on crazy risk to reward. So I just wanted to see maybe if there's more obvious targets that I could have held towards, at least this New York PM high and previous day high as well. So yeah, it's a pretty simple trade. I don't really know how we could, there's nothing more complicated to really say on this. Just overall bullish. Only issue is we've got this 4 hour below price, but we're also respecting a 2 hour, creating a 30-minute. So we've got a lot going for the trade basically. That's as simple as I'm going to keep it today. Peace.